Good morning, students. Today, Max class discussed about the topic coordinate geometry. In our syllabus, is the most one of the important topic. This one also. So now, we take the coordinate geometry in syllabus. So coordinate geometry has a 6 content it have. So today, have only discussed about the first 3 content. What are this? Introductions and area of triangles and area of quadrilaterals, right? These are also we learned the lower class, but here learn of the some basic now. Come to the topic now. So topic is a coordinate geometry. Why is called the coordinate geometry? First of all, we take the geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics, and we take the geometry word. The word, the geometry, we can the divide the two part of that. And first part, geo define earth, and metry define measure. So earth to measure is called geometry. You understand it now? So basically the three kind of the geometry. So first one of the pure and plane geometry, and second one of the coordinate geometry, and third one of the motion geometry, right? So our topic is related to the second kinds, the coordinate geometry, right? Now some of the basic concept to related to the topic. Now we take the plane surface and consider the two line. Here the plane surface and consider the two lines, and first of all the horizontal line and vertical line. Now the horizontal line is considered to the x-axis, and the vertical line is considered to the y-axis. The two lines, the horizontal line and the vertical line, two line intersect the point is origin, right? We know about that. Another one, the horizontal line is the x-axis, we also know abscissa, another y-axis is also now the ordinate. So clear up that. So to surface area, the surface area of the two lines, horizontal line and vertical line. So horizontal line is the x-axis is also now the abscissa, and the vertical line is a y-axis also now the ordinate. So the two line intersect of the point origin, the same surface of the plane is the some artificials. Now we take that here the point O. Now we take the horizontal line, the x-axis, from the origin the right, put the value of positive value 1 2 3 4 as well as in x arrow mark. The similar to the left of the origins, put the minus value -1 -2 -3 -4 as well as x dash. Here the x and x dash. Similar to the vertical line of the is the y axis, then consider from the origin in above, we take the positive value 1 2 3 4 5 6 as usual y axis y. Similar to the bottom of the origin in y axis -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 as well as in y dash. Clear up the diagrams. The same surface on that we can the x-axis and y-axis the based on the origin, and right hand side of the positive and left hand is the negative value, same similar to the y-axis, above the positive and below the negative value. Right, now the surface in assign the sign, we can divide the 4 parts in now. So 4 parts is also called the 4 quadrant. What is that? 4 quadrant. Right, 4 quadrant. So the first quadrant and second and third and fourth one. Right, we can assign the locate the point, we can consider the orders a comma b, line of the algebras in the order row and column, same similar to the locate the point, here the surface in the area. So for the examples 2 comma 3, so x from the 2 units and the y is from the 2 units, here the some from the 2 units and y also 3, here the point 2 comma 3. And similar to the another one points -1 comma -2, we have to set x -1 and 2y and -2, here the points -1 comma -2, reference to the exact area we can find out now. So surface of the divide the to 4 parts, have the 4 quadrant, which are the points are the lie out the quadrants. Now the one by one we will discuss. So first quadrant, what are the point are located. So what are the axis is considered in sign also will there. So first quadrant of x means plus and y means plus. So first quadrant plus comma plus, as usual the remaining 4 quadrant, and second quadrant minus comma plus, and third quadrant both coordinates the negative, and the fourth quadrant plus comma minus. Whatever maybe when write the order pair, so you can write the first coordinate x and second coordinate y, we can clear about that. But understand that now they refer to the points, the refer to the points is the coordinate, and the refer to the axis and the x-axis and the y-axis in the coordinate axis. Now here the point now, refer to the point is called the coordinate, similar to the refer to the axis with the sign is called the coordinate axis. Here the similar to the last the point under the axis. Now so coordinate and the coordinate axis, so coordinate axis will become the coordinate systems. So coordinate systems, the systems so derived by the great mathematicians, the René Descartes, the one of the grateful mathematicians. Playwright will form the names we'll write now the Cartesian coordinate systems. So Cartesian coordinate system, I'll clear out the points. Yeah, so Cartesian coordinate system of the concept to apply the geometry, will you get coordinate geometry, right? Are you clear about that? Cartesian coordinate system of the concept to apply the geometry. So geometry will become the coordinate geometry, right? We know that. Okay, so coordinate geometry basically three important point. The first one, distance formula, and second one, section formula, and third one, area of the triangle.